Welcome back to the Daily Crypto Report, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. Today, we're talking about a lesser-known but crucial part of Bitcoin's history, the time Bitcoin was hacked.
Yes, you heard that right. Bitcoin, the seemingly invincible digital currency, faced a significant vulnerability early in its journey.
We'll explore what happened, how it affected the network, what lessons were learned, and why Bitcoin is considered more secure than ever today. Stick around because this story will blow your mind. Let's start by setting the scene. The year was 2010. Bitcoin was barely a year old, and it was still a niche project being used by a handful of tech enthusiasts and visionaries. Back then, Bitcoin wasn't the global phenomenon we know today. It was an experimental digital currency with a lot to prove. On August 15, 2010, an event occurred that shook the small Bitcoin community. A critical flaw in Bitcoin's code was exploited, resulting in the creation of over 184 billion Bitcoins. Yes, that's billion with a B, a number far exceeding Bitcoin's capped supply of 21 million. This catastrophic flaw became known as the value overflow incident. The problem stemmed from a vulnerability in Bitcoin's transaction validation system. A hacker discovered a bug that allowed them to generate an enormous amount of Bitcoin in a single transaction. This was a direct violation of Bitcoin's fundamental principle, its scarcity. If Bitcoin could be created infinitely, it would lose its value and credibility overnight. The Bitcoin community was small but tightly knit at the time, and the reaction was swift. Developers, including Satoshi Nakamoto, the mysterious creator of Bitcoin, immediately took action. Within hours of the exploit, Satoshi and other developers identified the flaw and released a patched version of Bitcoin's software. This fix effectively nullified the fraudulent transaction and restored the blockchain to its state before the hack. This was done through a process called a hard fork, where the network's code was updated to reject any blocks containing the invalid transaction. The speed and efficiency of the response were crucial in maintaining Bitcoin's credibility. While the incident was a significant wake-up call, it also demonstrated the resilience of Bitcoin's open-source community. Developers and users rallied together to safeguard the network, showing that even in its infancy, Bitcoin had a strong defense mechanism. This incident taught the Bitcoin community some critical lessons that have shaped its evolution. Importance of code audits. The value overflow incident highlighted the need for rigorous testing and auditing of Bitcoin's code. Since then, Bitcoin's code has undergone countless reviews by developers worldwide, making it one of the most scrutinized pieces of software in history. Decentralized problem solving. The rapid response to the hack showcased the strength of a decentralized community. Unlike traditional financial systems, Bitcoin doesn't rely on a central authority. Instead, its security and resilience come from the collective efforts of its users and developers. Transparency and trust. Bitcoin's open-source nature allowed the community to identify and fix the problem transparently. This incident reinforced the importance of transparency in building trust within the network. So, how does this story relate to Bitcoin's security today? The 2010 hack was a wake-up call, and the Bitcoin network has come a long way since then. Its code has been extensively audited, vulnerabilities have been addressed, and the network has grown exponentially in terms of users, miners, and developers. Bitcoin is now considered one of the most secure networks in the world. Its decentralization, cryptographic algorithms, and massive mining power make it incredibly resilient to attacks. However, this doesn't mean Bitcoin is invincible. While the network itself is secure, the ecosystem around it, exchanges, wallets, and third-party platforms, remains a potential target for hackers. That's why it's crucial to always follow best practices when interacting with Bitcoin, such as using hardware wallets, enabling two-factor authentication, and only using reputable platforms. The story of Bitcoin's 2010 hack is more than just a historical footnote. It's a testament to the resilience and adaptability of the Bitcoin network. It shows that even the most innovative technologies can face challenges, but with a committed community and a strong vision, they can overcome them. This incident also reminds us that Bitcoin is a living, evolving system. It's not perfect, but its ability to adapt and grow is what makes it so revolutionary. The lessons learned from the 2010 hack continue to guide the Bitcoin community, ensuring that the network remains secure and reliable for future generations. So there you have it, the story of the time Bitcoin was hacked and how it emerged stronger than ever. It's a fascinating chapter in Bitcoin's history that highlights the challenges of building a decentralized digital currency from scratch. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about the stories and innovations behind Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay curious and keep learning. See you in the next video.